Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Using Google Business Profile Posts. Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to dive into the world of Google Business Profiles, formerly Google My Business, and learn how to create engaging posts that attract customers and grow your business. I will talk about the importance of Google Business Profile posts, different types of them, and how to make them work best for you. So, whether you're a bakery tempting foodie with mouth-watering photos of your latest creations or a yoga studio announcing a new mindfulness workshop, this video has you covered. Let's get started. Creating a post for Google Business Profile is very simple. It is visible on Google Search and Maps and giving your profile more visibility and relevance. So let's now talk about the different types of posts that you can use. The first type of posts are offers. Provide promotional sales or offers from your business. Offers require title as well as the start and end dates and times. A V offer action button is automatically added to the post. You can also include a photo, video, description, coupon code, link, and terms and conditions with the post. For example, a pizza parlor may advertise 20% off large pizzas for a week. Offers appear near the top of business profile on Google Search and Maps. They also appear with all the other posts in the Updates tab. And the wonderful part about this type of post is that it makes your listing stand out in mobile searches. Number 2 are updates. Provide general information about your business. You can include a photo, a video, a description, and an action button. For example, a restaurant can make a post to promote a new menu item or some changes or visit recommendations. In some countries, a business profile on Google may also provide automatically suggested posts based on your 4 or 5-star customer reviews. You'll see these suggestions when you sign in to manage your business profile or through your email notifications. And the great thing and pro tip is that you can also add keywords to your posts. Next step is events. Promote an event at your business. Events require title, start and end date, and time. If there aren't start or end times, then the system will default to 24 hours on the date it's posted. These posts may include a photo, a video, description, and an actual button. For example, a bookstore may advertise a local author's book signing or a book club meeting. Events that meet certain criteria will also show in the Overview tab of the business profile to make them more prominent to customers. So now we'll show you how to add different types of posts to your Google Business Profile. At Google Business Profile Manager, click on Add Update. You will see options to add different types of posts, update, event, offer. Click on the type of post that you want to create. Fill in the relevant details. You can share news, announcements, or other updates about your business at Update Post. You can also add photos, videos, a description, and a button. When you selected your image, you can also crop this photo, or you can leave it as it is. Customize your CTA button. Include a link to a landing page of your website or product page to every post. Those are the size requirements for images, and also you can add up to 10 images to one post. After you've filled in all the information, preview the post to make sure everything looks good. Finally, click Publish at the bottom of the screen. To add video, you can do exactly the same, like with photos. You can just select your video from files and add it to your post. The video should be high quality, focusing on the business, its services, or location. The process will be about the same for events and special offers. On my screen, you can see how I'm filling the information for each of those types. To highlight the special offer or promotion, specify details like offer title, start date, end date, and descriptions. You have an option to add coupon codes, links to the offer, and terms and conditions. You also have a 1,000-character limit, but there's no need to use them all. Customers prefer quick, clear insights on Google and add a visual with every post. Real photos or videos of your location or products are excellent choices. To promote an event, enter the event title, start date, and time details. End date. You can also add an event description, a button. Also, you can customize this button, and a photo or video related to the event. If you want to showcase your products, use the product post. This process is a little bit different. Find the Add Product section, fill in the relevant details, enter the name of your product, choose the category that best matches your product from those that you already have or create a new one. You can also add a specific price or a price range for your product. Add a detailed description to help visitors know about what you're offering. This could include key features, size, benefits, and so on. Add a high quality image of your product. Also, you can see all your products that you added if you click on product section, and you can find them on your Google Business profile. Google Business Profiles have become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with potential customers. Remember, a good rule would be to post at least twice or thrice a week to keep your audience updated, engaged, and show that your business is active. And that's how you can use Google Business Profile Post. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Postifluence by Technic Force. Rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works. Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts on high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Zoom to the top of the SERPs with 100% organic link building and traffic source. Find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Only ranking sites, no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. Email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. And a lot more. Postifluence builds you backlinks and gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. So what are you waiting for? Get Postifluence now. Just go to getpostifluence.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.